Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool emitter right here, and basically what this is adjustable laptop stand, and they do call it C5. And if you guys turn to the back, they do probably got some specs and features on here in terms of how to use it. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, here's what it looks like inside. So pretty much inside there is another box, but when you guys do take it out, inside the product all needs to wrap up. Let's take out the wrapper first. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And also inside they do provide guys a little accessory bag that pretty much has like the screw option and also the non-stick sticker option for you guys to replace it if you guys do need to. But right here, you see we do have the product. If you see for the top part here, they do have the little hole. So that way it does have the ventilation for your laptop. And right here, here, and here, they do have like the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do put your laptop on here. And also for the bottom part here, if you see we do have the non-slip material as well. So that way when you guys do put your laptop, it won't fall off. And you see on the bottom, they also have the same material as well to prevent it from moving around when you guys do put it on the table. And then here is basically what the product looks like from the side. So I mentioned for this laptop stand, it is adjustable. Let me show you how to use it. So if you guys raise it up and raise this part right here as well, you do have the option to raise like this. And on top of that, you do have the option to extend this part right here. So there is a button underneath it that's one push. So just like this. And that is the first it can go. So I'm gonna see when you guys do extend it, it definitely goes pretty far. And I feel like the way how they designed this laptop stand is perfect for people who do have stand-up desks. Because let's say if you guys are standing up and sometimes your laptop is still pretty low, having the extender option helps a lot, so that way it can be much higher than what you guys typically get from your laptop stand. But once you guys are done, you can push back down really easily. And when you guys do feel material that's on here, it definitely does feel like a high quality material. And the way how they design the bottom part here, they do have the space where to put stuff on here if you guys do want to. And when you guys are done using it, or if you guys are not using it, you do have the option to fold it back up. So just like this. And that way it can bring along when you guys are traveling or going anywhere else, which is pretty cool. But you see the product is actually very compact and portable, so that way you can put it into your backpack if you guys do want to. And I do love the way how they designed this part here, so that way I can carry around really easily. Now I'm going to put my laptop on here to show you guys what she looks like. So right here I do have my laptop with a 16-inch laptop. If you guys put on top, here is basically what the product looks like from the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and here is the other side. So you see the product definitely has a good support on here when you guys do use it. And I do mention the weight capacity that's on here is 22 pounds. So as long as the laptop is not over 22 pounds, then you should be fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality laptop stand that allow you guys to adjust this part right here and also extend it even more right here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.